legacy na yan. Wherever she go, that's it. That's her name. Okay. O sasabihin, did Ate Joyce boodle you? Ah? No need to ask. Did Ate Joyce boodle you? Kasi well known na. Since 2020 pa, before the pandemic. She's like that. You have a purpose. Why? What's that purpose? Well, it's not our fucking business. It's yours. And it's your choice. Not ours. Magbasa rin. Kumbaga sa stop, look, and listen, and read. Respect the elders. Wow, shit. But if my mom like that, oh fucking way. No way, no way, no way. I'm going to stop her. I'm not going to allow her na ma-involve sa mga balahuraan. No fucking way. No way. Kasi me, as a daughter, about my mom, that happened here in Norway. One time. Enough is enough. Ayaw na. Never, never. So be it.